Hello everyone, it is Walt here today and I'm giving you guys a video on listening to yourself, okay? And in this enlightened life self-help kind of series. So listening to yourself is a skill that many people basically never acquire. A lot of people kind of maintain this almost high school mentality of always listening to other people's opinions and not their own. So then they're always waiting for other people to tell them that what they're doing is good, and other people consistently are not going to do that up until the point when they actually produce a final result, okay? So until a company has, gone public and is worth billions of dollars, that's when everybody says, I knew you could do it, Until you have the final book and the publisher finally takes it, that's when somebody finally says, I knew you could do it. When you finally have the success, okay, not just some success, but a lot of it, that's when everybody said, you must be a genius, I knew you could do it like this whole time. And the truth is that a lot of the time, up until that point, people are telling you to stop, okay? They're going to tell you to quit. They're going to tell you this isn't a good idea. Now, if you can find a mentor out there, if you can find somebody who will support you, be it a relative, a friend, anybody who's just going to consistently want to go along with the ideas you have, keep saying, you're doing it right. Definitely be close to those people. But know that a lot of people that are close to you, that are important to you, will tell you that you're not really doing it right, okay? Now, everybody has their own idea about how things work, so to some degree, everybody thinks you're just not doing it the right way because, everybody kind of has that sandal talker notion. The story of the sandal talker being the one of this guy, and I believe it's an ancient Greek story where we have this painter who's a very good painter goes to the shoemaker and asks how he should do the shoes in the painting. And the shoemaker tells him how to do the sandals. And then he starts saying, okay, and also paint the eyes like this and the faces like this. And the guy's like, blah, blah, blah. Don't tell me how to paint the eyes and the faces, okay? You're the shoemaker. You know how to paint the shoes. You know how I should paint the shoes. So don't talk above the sandal. So that's kind of at least the phrase of the sandal talker there. And when it comes to that, really a lot of people are going to follow through on kind of just doing the sandal talker. They want to talk above what they know how to do, what they actually can do, and they want to just tell you how to live your life in many ways. A lot of people tend to do that. Now, if you can find people who don't do that, those are going to be the people you really want in your life. But a lot of people are going to be like that. And even people you do want to some degree in your life or you have no choice about with your family are going to consistently tell you, that this isn't the right idea, you should go a different direction, you should do other things. And the key here is that a lot of times failure is just another stepping stone to success, okay? Usually the biggest kind of failures occur right before the biggest successes do. Now sometimes there will be an exception there, but a lot of times people give up right before they're about to actually achieve their dream, okay? They're about to collect the gold and that's where they quit. So watch out for that moment. Watch out for when you're about to quit, because usually this is the point when things are really about to turn around. And listen to yourself. Trust yourself, okay? Sometimes that can be hard. Sometimes you're like, oh, there are all these experts out there, those millionaires and billionaires and all these people who know how to do what I want to do. Why don't I just listen to everything they say? How can I trust myself? Why don't I just strap myself entirely to what they want to do? No. Okay, you have to be able to trust yourself. And trusting yourself is going to get your subconscious mind on your side. Nobody is as powerful as your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is about 2 million times as powerful as, the conscious mind. So the subconscious is a genius, and if you can get that guy working for you, everything's going to work out in the end. There will be some curves, there will be some failures, okay? But if you can stick with it, it will really allow you to succeed. So definitely listen to mentors, but don't try to think that you can't do anything that they can do. In the end of basically at the end of the day, you can. It's just you have to learn to believe in yourself even when you don't know how to do it. Believe that you're on the path to success, and soon enough you will reach your goal. Anyway, that's about it for this video. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with our next video, so stay tuned. I'll see you then.